Forgetting how close I am to it.
He's obviously he's on his way upstairs. Here's the front door. Here is me. Yeah, what the hell? Let's go and try the front room over here. Is that the front room in there, is it, mate?
Yeah.
Oh my
god, that old piano.
Loads of pianos, is it?
2, yeah.
Two?
Like disintegrated. All the cabinets are falling over in there.
This is actually insane. Oh, fuck me. I'm telling you people, this is... You don't know what you're going to stand on, what you're standing in. It's actually fucking mental. Welcome to the living room. Oh, Jesus Christ. That piano, fucking hell. Oh my god. Guys take photos, I think, while I'm here, because fucking hell, I ain't going to come back in here again. Those filing cabinets are all tipped over. A little bookshelf. Might need the ventilator mask. Fucking Jesus Christ. I keep checking my pockets to make sure I haven't dropped anything as well. God, what the hell? So yeah, this is the living room. Well, was the living room. It probably was quite nice back in its heyday, but oh my goodness me, what the hell? Stairs. I'm trying to like not fucking trip over this shit everywhere. Fucking hell. Mate, this absolutely fucking hongs up here. Lovely red curtains, what it used to be. Oh my fucking days, man. What the fucking hell? It's whatever language, but there's no way to describe this place other than it's an absolute fucking joke. Oh my god. So sort of is a time capsule. Look at all the stuff just falling through the ceiling because there's so much shit everywhere. So this was once a little... It is sort of a time capsule-ish, but fucking Jesus Christ. I can't get to anything because it's just fucking fucked. There's a bed full of shit. Oh my god, honestly, Jesus. Filthy fucking bastards. Mate, this is mad. It's actually fucking disgusting, if I'm honest. Hole on the fucking floor there, isn't there? Jesus. Man's got some crowbar. But he knows to get your way back out of this absolute shithole.
Yeah, if we go that way, I wouldn't bother going that way. It's nothing.
What's down there?
Apart from a falling down room at the end. And a little one in the left there.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, shit.
Yeah, I wouldn't go in there.
Look at that fucking undergrowth coming through. Overgrowth, in fact. Oh. There's enough holes in the floor here. That's Jesus. There's actually no floor. Jesus Christ, mate. What, the room down the end has got dropped down, has it?
Yeah, we'll go in there.
It's just full of shit. The whole place. It's insane. What's in the room on the left? Oh my god, not another room of hoarded shit again, is it? Mate, there is literally nothing. I ain't going no further, but oh my god. Look at the floor below me. That's literally just a hole all there, let's see. Fucking Jesus Christ. Yeah, I ain't going no further, but that is absolutely mental. God, gee whiz. How long is this supposed to be left like this as well? Oh, Jesus. More rooms down here, have a look at those as well. Place has been left by looking at all the stuff in the bathroom here. I mean, why? There's just so much random stuff in the bathroom as well. What the hell? I mean, I can't even say much about their life because there's just too much to talk about. They obviously loved to just literally... they just left everything they could get, I guess. Hey. Let's check this place out. What the hell? Look. It's just bonkers, man. Absolutely bonkers. Some odd photos of the owners, maybe. Check those out there. That's what I can really find. Sex and Life, apparently. There's a book they used to read. There's some more photos up on there. Maybe there's some. Oh, yeah, look, there they are. Oh, look. All their history. All their little photos. Look at that there. What a place. Insane. So I'm going to make my way back out. I'll show you my route. It's just mad. Look at it. Let's get out of here. Just checking my pockets non-stop. Should drop anything in here. Oh, bloody hell. This place is fucked. But, on the way out now, I'll show you some sick cars because there are so many scattered around this place. This place is an absolute state. But let's go see the cars that are here. We've got an old VW, Beetle Mark 1. Nothing left of it now really. It's very dead. Which is a shame. We've got a Cooper. Look at that rear lights all rotten through. Nice little Cooper. Nice purple colour as well. So not only did they hoard stuff, they hoarded plenty of cars. Look at this poor thing. This one's got the this one's got a tan interior as well.
Comes with aircon.
Huh?
Comes with aircon.
Yeah. Another one there. Jesus, there's no roof on that. Yeah, it isn't many, yeah. There's what was. There was what was a Vauxhall here.
Taking some years to come to that.
Yeah, it's a shame. He's just gonna left like this, you know. And it isn't just that, right? It's just literally the whole way around the entire house is absolutely covered. Oh. I think that's an old Saab, I think. It's insane. Look at the house as well, it's an absolute state. Absolute mess. Ready to go around the front? I think this is an old Renault 5, I think. Oh, so sad. The old leather dash. What a shame. It's an old Renault 5, I think, mate. That's a Renault. Another Renault as well. I think it's another. Is that another Renault 5, I think? No, it's a Renault. That. Just let the poor things rot away. It's got an engine at the back of that one. Mate, look at them all, they keep going. Huh? Oh, Jesus.
Structurally sound.
Yeah. One order from new. What is that? That's like an old, that's like another Renault again, I think. Oh mate, look at that poor, that's like a poor Vauxhall. There's more, is there? You're joking, eh? Look at it. What a flipping waste. Look at this blooming house as well, it's insane. The place is literally an absolute wreck. There's more over there, is there? There's just a few more over here. Poor old Fiesta here as well. Probably the least ruined of the lot. Oh, and of course they've used it as hoarded storage. It's still got a steering lock on it. I don't think it's going nowhere, if I'm honest. Oh. It's such a shame. There's even more over there. There's another one over there as well. So sad. So we've got an old Renault, and this is a 504 Peugeot, which is such a shame. What a waste. They've still got the steering locks on them. Imagine trying to find the keys in the house for the steering lock. Yeah. What a waste. Like the gear knob is degraded so badly, there's literally nothing left of it.
You've got a steering lock on it, like anyone's going to nick it.
The floor is just growing its own greenery in there as well. Just ran out of the tax disc 2013. Oh my days. So guys, that is the end of this Hoarder's House video. At least the cars made up for it a little bit. But yeah, what an absolute joke of a place. That is just the worst place I've ever seen for hoarding stuff. So guys, I'll see you soon in the very next video.